Hello guys, today you are going to learn how to fix the Instagram replay option. I'm going to show you a couple of steps that will help you to resolve this issue. First of all, let's see how you can replay on the message. When I open a chat on Instagram, you can see a message here. So if I want to reply to the message, I will just type here. But if you want to reply to the specific message, you will need to simply tap and hold the message. And at the bottom, you can see the option reply. Another way to reply to this message is to swipe it to the right to the specific message. And you'll be able to reply to it. If this function doesn't work for you, or it doesn't show at all, you will need to check if your Instagram has the latest features and options. Let's quickly open the App Store and find Instagram. If you can see the button Update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds till Instagram installs all the latest features. Open Instagram and try to reply to the message. If you still have this problem, try to offload Instagram. Open your phone settings. Go to General. Scroll down and find iPhone storage. Now let's find Instagram. Click on it and on this page click on Offload App. This will free up storage used by the app, but it will save your documents and data. Wait for Instagram to reinstall. Now open Instagram and try again to reply to the message. If you still have an issue, you will need to wait a couple of days for the update. That will be it for this tutorial. Support us and see you in the next one.